nature lang ba at kultura ng mga Pilipino ang maging corrupt?
I don't think
No,
so.
I don't buy
Kasi
it.
bakit?
Every country was
Bakit?
corrupt at
Yun
some
na
point
nga.
in
A
history.
lot of countries are corrupt, but then the rest of the nation are really angry at those people in power that are corrupt, right? Parang
We are
dito,
too patient and resilient.
It's very, we're not angry enough.
Because we're resilient,
we
we can weather the
Kundi yung-
storm.
Kaya nga parang sige, let them be, or is it
It's about-
is it like an accepted, because like in Italy, diba, medyo accepted yung I scratch your back, you scratch my back.
No,
sort
you go
of
to Southern
way.
Palermo. I mean,
Yeah,
let's talk about good governance.
family-oriented, like I know this
Yeah.
person, I'll help you out. So it's a very strong soft power.
But the Italians
Ito ba?
built a
Parang-
strong state that eventually went
Hindi,
after the
parang-
mafias, tried to crack down on
correct.
corruption.
So they still have a very strong
Eventually,
I
the
agree,
Italians
I agree. You do,
move.
yes,
Yeah, I mean,
yes.
Italians
Bakit-
eventually
bakit
moved
dito
towards
hindi?
reforms. Tayo
Bakit?
wala.
Well,
Because,
siguro hindi natin pwedeng tignan lang yan as a continuous dilemma. Dahil at particular moments, nagbago At particular moments,
Nag-mutate,
Oo, at nagkuha
but
niyan.
don't you feel na parang people were so angry at the corrupt people before and then it's becoming more and more normalized?
Well, ang problema kasi natin, most people na malinis, matino,
Oo.
do not want to enter politics. No, it's not
Yeah.
because most of us are corrupt. It's yung mga hindi corrupt ay may kaunting resistance sa politics. Alam kami,
Kasi-
kasama kami sa EDSA uprising. Pero it took us more than 10 years bago kami nagpasya na, pasok naman tayo.
Yeah.
No? Magtayo naman tayo ng political party or else yung mga more of the
This
same
one.
ang magdo-dominate. We only decided in 98 na para magtayo ng sariling political party at yung pinasukan pa namin is the party list, which is very limited. Ibig sabihin, most of these civil society, NGOs, modernizing
Are
elements ay kayo na
Arm's
yan.
length.
Kayo na yan. Ayaw namin dyan.